Hello everybody, Jeff here. Well, I'm going to replace these horns that I got from the junkyard, and I'm probably not going to use this one. I just noticed it was rusted out pretty bad. And this is the higher pitched one, and the higher pitched horn works on this. It's the lower pitched one I really needed, but I didn't know which one was which, so I pulled them both out. So we'll get started on that. I've got to pull the grill off, or I got to take both the signal lights off first, then pull the grill off. And I don't have a lot of time to work with. I only got maybe a couple hours of daylight, so we're going to have to hurry up and get this done real fast. So here we go. Okay, I just popped it out loose. I don't think I'll need to take it completely out. I think I got plenty of room to get in there. See, I already took the one horn out. So, that's the higher pitched one. So, but all I need, I got the bolt. I just need a 13mm socket. We'll just bolt it in there and plug it in. Okay, I'm not sure how much you're going to be able to see, and I hope I don't knock the tripod over. I just kind of propped up here very precariously, but here goes. Alright, we got it mounted in there. Let's plug it in, see if it works. There we go. Well, it doesn't seem to be working real good. Well, we'll figure that out. In the meantime, okay, I seem to got it working now. Looking at this other horn here, all I did was spray a little contact cleaner in here and in the connector. And I took this screw out on the other one and spray a little contact cleaner in here. I don't really know what that screw does, but put that back in, but it seems to be working now. Okay, before I bug the neighbors anymore, let's put it back together, and I'm running out of daylight, so get her put back together here. Got it put back together, and it's working. Alright, good enough. Also, I got a coolant leak in here. I got to figure out where it's coming from. I have a feeling it might be intake gaskets, so. But I ain't gonna mess with that right now. I gotta get everything put away and call that the end of this video. So, y'all have a good day, and we'll talk to you later. Goodbye. One more thing I forgot to mention, not related to this, but I will be posting Christmas music up on this channel. Up until Christmas. We'll try to get all my Christmas videos back up on this channel, since I shut down my Vinyl 727 channel. I have decided to put the Christmas videos, at least those, up on this channel for now. So hopefully I don't get any copyright strikes. I don't have any strikes right now. I know which videos gave me strikes in the past, and we won't be messing with those, but hopefully they'll all make it, and hope you enjoy the holiday season and enjoy the music. So y'all have a good day, and we'll talk to you later. Goodbye.